Try it yourself, creating dynamic sparklines with simple jQuery, JavaScript, and CSS. The purpose of this try-it-yourself exercise is to illustrate how to implement new HTML5 graphical elements to render useful visual components to your web page. Specifically, in this exercise, we'll use canvas elements to implement sparklines and dynamically update them by using jQuery and JavaScript. The solution files are in the book's code listings archive in the Hour 14 folder. The files are all named Hour 1406. Let's start by looking at the resulting file. We'll select our 1406.html and run the file in a browser. You'll see we have a mock-up here that looks at utilization, speed, uploads, and downloads, generates a random number. This isn't live data, of course, but the point is to show you how we can use HTML5 with a little bit of programming magic to show genuinely useful information, like a sparkline trendline. In this project, the HTML code is pretty basic. You'll notice we have several instances of the HTML5 canvas element, for instance. The CSS is also very basic. Thus, let's take a look at the engine of the file, located in our 1406.js. In line 33, we have the ready function. This populates the data used for the sparklines and starts off the ADJ values timer function. You also need to add the ADJ values and get random array functions. Those functions populate and continuously update the values used for the sparklines. The ADJ values function is up here on line 2. The get random array function begins on line 28 in the file. Finally, on line 12, we have the render spark function. This uses the set of values in the data array and draws a series of lines on the canvas to create the sparkline. Line 13 is a bit of a trick. Setting the width of the canvas to its current value will erase the current data on the canvas, so the last sparkline is erased before drawing the new one.